Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix low volume in Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you want to fix your low volume in your Windows 11 PC or laptop, now to do that what you have to do is follow some basic steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your settings application, and after opening up your settings application, from here you just have to tap on system, which is on the left side of your screen. After tapping on system, just simply scroll down and you will find troubleshoot option. Just tap on troubleshoot and then tap on other troubleshoots, and after tapping on other troubleshoots, now you'll find audio options. So all you can do is just simply tap on run and then run this troubleshoot, and if you have any problem with your audio, then this will fix it. So after doing that, now you just have to check if that fixed your audio problem. But if that didn't fix your audio problem, then what you have to do is just simply come back, and after coming back, now in search bar you have to search for sound settings. And after searching for sound settings, from here you just have to scroll down and you will find more sound settings option. Just tap on it, and after tapping on more sound settings, now over here you will find communication options. Just simply tap on communications, and now if it's on mute all other sounds or reduce the volume of other sounds up to 80 or 50. Now if it's on those options, what you have to do is just simply change it to do nothing, and after changing it to do nothing, now you just have to tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, now you just have to check if that fixed your problem. But if this still doesn't fix your problem, then you just have to close this tab. And from here, you just have to type in Windows plus X. And after typing in Windows plus X, just simply tap on Device Manager. And after tapping on Device Manager, now you'll find Sound, Video, and Game Controls. Just simply tap on it, and here you will find all the following options. So what you have to do is just simply make sure that your drivers are updated. So if your drivers are not updated, then what you have to do is just simply tap on search automatically for drivers and then update your driver if there is an update. So if there is an update, then it will automatically start updating your drivers. So just simply go ahead and check if you have any updates, and this should fix your problem. And you can also do this for your audio inputs and outputs. So simply go ahead and check if your audio inputs and outputs drivers are updated. So if they are not, just simply go ahead and then update it, and after updating it, you should fix your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix low volume on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.